Cultural unity. Student expectation. I can describe how culture unifies a region. This slide deck will show you how common traits can unify a region or society. We will look at areas in the Middle East and Asia. Click here for the notes to complete as you view the slides. A culture region is characterized by people in that region sharing common language, beliefs, history, social structures, institutions, art, food, and traditions. In the Middle East, religion is a major common trait that people share. The three main religions are Judaism, Islam, and Christianity. The most popular religion is Islam. In China, people are strongly connected through their celebrations. They unite together for festivals. Let's look at Saudi Arabia. The culture of Saudi Arabia is defined largely by its Islamic heritage. Located in the Middle East, the Saudi society has evolved over the years. Their values and traditions from customs are adapting with modernization. Many attitudes and traditions are centuries old and derive from their Islamic heritage. Their sense of duty to support their community creates a strong moral code. The shared religion, heritage, and values unify the people and strengthen the culture of the society. Let's look at China. Chinese culture is strongly influenced by language, literature, politics, philosophy, and religion. One of the traditions common to China are their celebrations: Chinese New Year, the Lantern Festival, and the Dragon Boat Festival. The Chinese New Year is the most important and is celebrated with dragon dances, firecrackers, and eating dumplings. The Lantern Festival is held the last day of the Chinese New Year. The Dragon Boat Festival is held on the 5th day of the 5th month of the lunar calendar and is celebrated with boat racing. A shared celebration can strengthen and unite a culture. Final thoughts. Cultural traits that a society or people have in common will strengthen and unify a region. We looked at the countries of Saudi Arabia and China. The people of Saudi Arabia are unified in their strong religious belief of Islam, while in China, one of their shared traits are their celebrations. What are some celebrations that you share with your family?